In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with a new project in Excel. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to this powerful spreadsheet tool, understanding how to properly open or create a workbook is your first step. So let's dive right in and explore this fundamental step for both beginners and experienced users alike. To kick things off, you'll want to get familiar with the Backstage view. It's like the central hub of Excel, and you can access it by clicking on the File option, usually located at the top left corner of your screen. Once you're in the Backstage view, you'll see a range of options. To start fresh with a new spreadsheet, you'll select New. Here, you'll notice the option for a blank workbook. This choice gives you a clean slate to work with, perfect for those who want complete control over their spreadsheet design, starting from scratch. But if you're someone who prefers a bit of a jump start, you're in luck. Excel offers a variety of templates that can save you time and effort. To find these templates, stay in the Backstage view, click on New, and you'll find a treasure trove of pre-designed templates right there alongside the blank workbook option. Templates can be incredibly handy. They come pre-packaged with layouts, styles, and even built-in formulas that can give your spreadsheet a professional, polished look without any additional groundwork on your part. You can browse through the options or use the search bar to find something specific. Once you stumble upon a template that catches your eye, click on it for a quick preview of the layout. Like what you see? Simply click Create, and Excel will launch the template, ready for you to populate it with your data and information. Now let's switch gears and talk about opening an existing file. This process is seamless and mirrors our earlier steps. Head back to the Backstage view by clicking File once more, and this time, choose Open. If you're frequently working on certain projects, you might find your recent workbooks listed conveniently under Recent Workbooks. However, if what you're looking for isn't immediately visible, there are other paths you can take. If you've saved your file on OneDrive, you can access it directly from your Microsoft account. Alternatively, select this PC if the file resides locally on your device. There's also the Browse option, allowing you to navigate your system manually to locate the specific workbook you want to work on. Once you've tracked down the file, a simple click on Open will bring your workbook to life on your screen. And there you have it. With these steps, you've learned how to smoothly start new projects in Excel, whether crafting from scratch or leveraging existing templates and files. Remember, the right starting point sets the tone for a productive Excel experience. Happy spreadsheeting!